Craving a sweet fall treat in just minutes? Whip up this cozy microwave pumpkin mug cake. First, you'll need a 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, 6 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Add all the ingredients into a microwave-safe mug and stir to combine. Might be a little thick. Microwave for about 60 seconds and carefully remove the mug from the microwave. Feel free to top with whipped cream if desired, and serve.